Good afternoon, everybody. So, okay, who had a great day today? Woo! All right. So my name is Czarny. I'm the CEO and founder of OPSWAT. OPSWAT is a cybersecurity company focusing on critical infrastructure protection. So first, let me start with our philosophy. Our philosophy for critical infrastructure protection is the reason for the breaches are coming from three major reasons. Number one, critical infrastructure networks are extremely complex. It's OT, IT, everybody talking about conversion. What is conversion? Yeah, you have IT, you have OT, you have air-gap networks. The critical infrastructure protection are complex, different protocols. Number two, the second reason for breaches and critical infrastructure protection are deficient technologies. The technologies that exist today in the market are deficient or does not exist. Antivirus cannot prevent your threats. Definitely not in air-gap, definitely not. Sandbox cannot defend threats. So we are missing specific technologies to protect our most critical networks. And number three is lack of dedicated critical infrastructure protection training. There are 423 cybersecurity certification. However, neither is really focusing on critical infrastructure protection, on complex network, on SCADA devices, on PLCs. Three major reasons. And for that, we have three major initiatives at the company. Number one, we have a platform with 21 products. We're not a single trick pony. You have many vendors out there, many of them are great products. I mean, we've seen Azumi and all of that, great products. However, it's a single product. We are a platform, 21 products. Complex networks needs a platform to provide the following: control data flow from your OT, from your IT, your cloud to the OT networks. And outside the network, a whole platform that connects to different parts of your critical network. Number two are purposely built critical infrastructure protection technologies. For that, we invented CDR, Content Disarm and Reconstruction. Who knows what is CDR? Raise your hand. See, that's a problem. It's a really problem. By the way, for the ones of you, I'll touch it. For that also, we put together multi-scanning to the next level. We combine more than 30 antivirus engines running on the same system, working fast together to increase efficacy of malware detection in air-gap networks and critical networks. We build technologies such as country of origin, where things has been manufactured. And lastly, on training, we put together the OPSWAT Academy. You can go and mark your calendars now, www.opswatacademy.com. And for that, it's a free training for critical infrastructure. We have thousands of certified professionals. We plan to get to 30,000 in a year of certified professionals for critical infrastructure protection. For the ones of you that wants to learn more about our company, we are hosting our cyber trailer outside. We put a whole critical infrastructure protection mobile lab. You can see several PLCs there. And then you can see also our platform connects. Also, we can talk to you more about solutions such as technologies such as CDR and multi-scanning. It's all outside. Also, we're going to serve it with beer. So we'd like to have kind of also cybersecurity with fun. So again, my name is Czarny. I'm going to be over there, and we'll be happy to meet with each one of you. Thank you so much.